Ready for the magic thing? Yes sir. That's the good shit, no cap. It was like a new experience. Maybe that's why I didn't like it. And durability again? Let's not go there today. Let's get it. Yo guys, welcome back to the gang. And in today's video, we're gonna be reviewing another pair of VAPORMAX Flyknit. I don't even know, bruv. Flyknit. Whatever it's called, yeah. I'm gonna review another color because the last time I did not like them at all. If you didn't see the last time, just go back in my whatever on my channel and you'll see it. Do you know what I'm saying? Grand like. So today we're trying another color and we're gonna go in depth. Okay fam, yeah. Look at this box though. This box is pang fam. Are you mad, bruv? But yeah, ready? Ready? Yeah, ready, steady, go. Ready for the magic thing? Yes sir. That's the good shit, no cap. No cap. So yeah, this is the, something different, you get me? Something original, fam. You feel what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying, fam? Yeah. This one, I like it more. The look. Maybe when I put it on, it might be the same result in it, but this one, it's like, I feel like it's more consistent, like, do you know what I mean? There's none of that funny fading between the black and the grey. Everything is clear and distinct, Raf. You get me, Raf? That's what I like. Clear and distinct. You get me? It's got the little VAPORMAX hair. One of the viewers told me to put them on without socks. I'm not too sure about that, man. But I'm gonna try it, and maybe it will make a difference. But then I don't know if my feet are gonna stink, and you get me. But yeah, man. VAPORMAX in general are very nice and beautiful. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna put them to the test, baby. It is what it is, man. I don't think I can ever put my faith back in you lot if you do it upon me again. And I couldn't put my bare feet in that without putting socks, man. That's a bit tapped. Whoever told me this here, I ain't doing it from big man thing. Big man thing, bruv. That's too tapped. Okay. Okay, let's see what's going on. So yeah, I don't know if it's some type of like flipping placebo, yeah, some type of placebo effect here, but I like this more because I'm not really a fan of like too many colors in one shoes. Like I don't F with that in it, do you know what I mean? Like I like it if there's at least like, okay, there's like 2 colors. These ones I could rock them, do you know what I mean? But the other ones, man, nah, they ain't for me, bro. They ain't for me, fam. Hey, I'm thinking, you know what, I might cop these, you know, big man thing, fam. I'm actually thinking of copying these shoes, you know. These ones look nice, especially at the back. It does look nice. You know, in terms of shoes, one thing you need to know about me is either black or white. I don't venture from. But these ones, this could be my first, like, venture. Do you know what I mean? As in, yeah, I can fully see myself keeping these, you know, big man thing. Especially, do you know what I like the most? It's this part, the back. Basically the red, the black and that part. I love it, and the VAPORMAX at the back. Literally. But yeah, man. And it's comfy too. I don't know if it was in my head or if it's in my head, because so many people like it, but yeah. Alright, we're gonna give this shoe a mark, yeah? The looks are good. Almost outstanding. Yeah. Comfort is great, but I don't know why. I don't understand. Last time I tried them, the other color, I didn't like it. Like, maybe it was because like it was like a new experience. Maybe that's why I didn't like it. And durability again. Let's not go there. The durability, we both know that the durability, I don't think it's gonna last through the winters, bruv. And all the rain and all that. I mean, maybe it can, but I just don't see myself wearing this shit in the winter, or like heavy rain times. Do you know what I mean? So this shoe is gonna get 8.5, and that's me being generous. Do you know what I mean? 8.5. That's a very generous mark for this shoe. But there's no way I'm giving this shit a 9, you know what I mean? Yeah, literally. But yeah, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and I'm out.
I'm from the Brooklyn XAJ, man, mistake with a pen like JK. True say I ain't